So today we are looking at circular drill bits, which is you have a circular saw but you have a drill bit as well. So this particular model, which is linked in the description, this is a generic one. It comes with two shanks. One is this one. It comes with a 4-head screw, and this one is now this is the, if you see, this is this thick, which is, I think it's 6 or 8 mm, and this one is a very tinier one. This is for the Dremel, so you can use this on Dremel as well, and it has the it has dual structure, so that what I mean by that is that it has two voicers in here, wherein it helps to keep the circular disc at one place. I mean, when it's rotating, although the rotating action is in different direction, still it holds it quite tight. So that's the reason there is this a bit of wobble given, is for the thickness of the actual circular saw. So you get the I have two sets of these. This one is the new one. So these are like rated for 20,000 rpm, which is more than enough for your typical wood miniature working or miniature wood cutting. And this one is 25 mm approximately. This is 8 by 6 or 22 mm. This one is 32 mm. This one is 35 mm. And then this one is again 44 mm. And this one is 50 mm. So this is how you get the complete package. This is quite affordable and cheap, and these work quite well whether it's a drill bit, whether you're cutting the wood on the edge. For example, for the bigger woods or like wood sheets, if you want to cut a corner or you want to cut a hole inside the drywall, you can use these are quite easy to handle, and these are much uh, affordable than the Dremel actual ones. So even if you just use them once, it's reasonable because they come with all the sizes, and that's it for the video.